kindergarten. Today we're going to be doing a little writing and drawing about our class Elf. So the first thing I wanted to do is show you where he is today. This is pretty silly. I think you're going to like it. When Jingle sent me a picture today, look where he is. Can you see that? He is on the playground. He's climbing up one of the chains on the playground. So he wanted me to share that with you. He said he thought our playground was really cool. He had a fun time, and he hopes you all are back and get to enjoy it soon. So there's Jingle. So we're going to do a little elf report today. This is all about our elf. I'm just going to kind of explain the directions, help you with some of this, and then you can go back and do parts of it on your own, okay? You're going to draw a picture of our elf. All right, he's still hanging out there behind me, keeping an eye on us, too, during our meetings and videos. So you can draw and color a picture of Jingle. And then it wants to know if our elf is a boy or a girl. Our elf, Jingle, is a boy elf. So you're going to circle the word boy. And then it wants to know his name. Our elf's name is Jingle. What do you hear at the beginning of Jingle? I hear a J. And since that's his name, we're going to write a capital J. I-N-G-L-E is how you spell Jingle, okay? So you can copy his name, you can circle that he is a boy, and then you can go back and draw a picture of Jingle. You can draw a picture of him hanging out behind me. You could draw a picture of him some of the places we've seen him so far. We've seen him with Clifford and Pete and in our dollhouse, and today he was on our playground. So you decide where you would like to draw your picture of Jingle, okay? Do your best work. I'd love to see your pictures. Be sure and share them with me if you come up with something cool for Jingle. Talk to you later.